it's me again. I'm using the iPhone microphone. I forgot to charge my wireless mic, so regular old microphone. What am I doing right now? I'm just gonna clear up. I put the circle cutter in the evaporust. If you look back right here, that's been primed, ready for paint. This section has got a few spots that I don't know if it flash rusted or it was so heavy caked on there, just the rust came through. But for the most part, when you see this, you'll think it's really cool. I'll show you this right here is what I'm talking about. And of course, with no planning whatsoever, I leave everything in the field of vision. What I'm planning on doing is actually what I'm doing right now. I just want to take some of this. Okay. There's a whole bunch of shit right down here. Oh, don't do that. Good thing I moved the rag, huh? Okay. Yeah. You gotta watch, because with these things, that's what'll happen to your fingers. So I'm just I'm giving it a little after evaporust bath. Why am I using a drill? Because I'm too lazy to use my, what do you call it? My air tool. There's just a few spots here. What I'm going to do after is, what do you call it? I'm going to drop it in some zinc oxide primer. Okay, just giving a little, I think it's just sediment. This thing went right down the black metal. This might have flash rusted. Oh, and use one of these things too. Always wear safety glasses. I don't even want to fathom what the hell getting one of these in the eye would feel like. Oh, and move the rags. That's always a good idea. Always move the rags. The evaporust did a fabulous job. I think someone said this is lead. Black lead paint I'm probably breathing in. I'm going to stay away from that. Also, when you use the drill like this, it doesn't come off as high speed as the, what do you call it? As the air tool. So your chances of blowing an eyeball on this thing are a little bit less. Yeah. Probably gonna lose a lunge on this. That in there, just. I really don't think this thing's gonna rust for another 100 years when I'm done. A couple of spots. You can tell this thing's been machined down. It's just a few spots on it. Nothing too serious. So anyway, that's pretty much it. There's a couple little spots around it. I think I need a different bit. Hold on a second. So folks, I'm continue cleaning out a few spots here. Things are not easy to control sometimes. Yeah, I just spit on the damn thing. I'll spit everywhere, I'll spit everywhere. I think I got most of the spots I can get. Anyway, see, there's like huge like gouges in there. Would somebody try to grind it down or what? So anyway, that's all I'm doing for now. I'm gonna hit it with some zinc oxide primer, muck it all up. There we go. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing for tonight. So stay tuned, and I'll put this whole thing back together soon. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Hello folks, hey, it's me again. Heard a noise over there. What I do, I sprayed the other half of the circle cutter with primer. The main body's painted, and I just gotta, I don't know, put it back together maybe? Actually, no, I gotta see if these little spots dry. It might be a few spots that need some acetone, because there's, here, I'll show you. There we go. Primer normally dries almost instantly, see? And there's a few spots here that are either too thick or there's some oil spots. There should be oil there. Anyway, this is the, yeah, let's put the drill in the way again. Sure, that'll work. So anyway, this is the end result. Not bad, huh? This is gonna get sprayed black. I'll clean out all the paint that I didn't plug the holes. I'm just gonna sand it out with some couple 100 grit sandpaper. The other one too, a little pad that slides down. I'll sand off the paint. I'll oil it, put it on there, and on the base too, I'll sand it down with a little block. It might be more work than it's, you know, it might have been easier to, you know, tape it, but it's easier to just paint it all and do that after. So, or else take a razor blade, cut off some of it. That should be no problem. Little block, put it there. Anyway, stay tuned. I'm gonna put this one, paint it black soon. It's gonna paint it black, and I got all the pieces in a baggie here. And I'm gonna oil up all the bolts and screw them on there, and probably just use a marker and paint all, not a marker, a paintbrush, and paint all the heads of the bolts. So stay tuned, watch it, and then I'll test it and see if it works after. Because it didn't work. It worked okay. Just I used the wrong piece of metal last time. So stay tuned. Toodles.